So here is how you can save passwords in Google account on the iPhone. So let me talk about it. If you're new here, subscribe to Foxtecc and we can get started. So on the Android, we have the ability to download the Google passwords, but on the iPhone, if I look it up as a standalone app in the App Store, it is simply not available. So we have to approach it from a different angle, and I believe the best one would be through the Chrome web browser. So I have it downloaded on my device already, but if you do not, you can see you can get it from the App Store easily and for free. So just get inside and open up the Google Chrome like this. Once you are inside of any page, you can click on the three dots in at the bottom right and find the settings right here. And this is going to give you the ability to see which Google account you are signed in, right? So I'm signed in with this one, or I can also switch and use another account right here if I want to switch to a different one, because of course the passwords are tied to one Gmail. And part of the settings, we have the passwords manager right here. I have to actually authenticate myself or type in the code because it's part of the safety features. And in there, I can see the passwords I have stored in the past. And if I want to add a new one, there is definitely the button to do it. So I would just type in the site wherever I'm signing in, the username, the password, and it can even suggest a strong one for that purpose. And also the notes section of the notes text field, so I can write down some additional information about it just so I can remember it better. But that is how you can add passwords to your Google account from the iPhone. If you like this video, subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you later in the next ones as well.